Hello everybody, so this is the other part. I'm going to put on my press-ons, as you guys can see here. All right, so I will be using the my carts, I believe, soak off polish, and I be using the Beetles gel polish, the glitter. All right, as you guys can see here, and I have an Amazon haul on these nail polishes. And this is the nailing glue that I'll be using, and the rhinestone glue as well. All right, so I'm gonna apply the nailing glue on here, and I'm also going to apply the rhinestone glue. Now, this is new. Okay, I decided, well, maybe my nails could stay on longer if I apply that as well. If you don't have the rhinestone glue, that's fine. Okay, you don't have to, you know, put that on as well. But I was just seeing if it will make it last longer. But I don't think it made much of a difference since we're washing our hands a lot of the times. Be prepared for your nails to pop off. Okay, so that's just basically about that. So just make sure that, I mean, a lot of y'all are not going out right now, but just make sure that you have your glue handy, because your nails can pop off, you know. And so you can just pop it right back on, you know, because that has happened to me. So just make sure that you have your glue in your purse, your pocket, or wherever the case is, just in case this does happen. Basically, I'm just showing you guys how to apply the press-ons. You don't need an acrylic. You don't need any other special tools, just some nails and things of that sort. Now, you get nails from Walgreens, CVS, and things of that sort. I ordered these a while ago from Amazon. So if you guys are skeptical of getting stuff ordered, you know, to your house and things of that sort, you can use regular nails from, you know, like I said before, Walgreens, CVS, or whatever the case is. Get whatever nails. The same method that I'm doing is basically the same thing. Now, as you guys can see, the way I'm putting on the nails, you can't really see that much because of the brightness. But when you're applying the nails, make sure you try to get like kind of like under the cuticle and things of that sort. Buffing the nails so the nail polish can adhere to the nails better and things of that sort. So this is just to you know, basically do that. But with gel polish, it definitely lasts long. But I like doing this because I don't want it to be as shiny, the nails to be as shiny. So buffing it out and making sure that the top part of the nails are smooth, because they do have like little tags at the top, so you want to make sure that part is smooth as well and file that down. So I'm doing the other hand as well. But like I said before about the cuticle part, you want to make sure that you are putting the nail kind of like up under the cuticle. And if you guys haven't seen my other video, I was pushing down my cuticles, so I already did that. And so my cuticles were already down, so I'm able to, you know, place the nail so the nail can look like it's coming from your nail bed. Okay, you don't want to just put it on top of your cuticle, whatever the case is. So you want to make sure that you're, you know, putting the nail like kind of like in the cuticle, if you will, to make it like it's coming out, you know, of your nail bed, to make it like you grew these nails. Okay, so it won't look like, you know, press-ons per se. All right, so that's just basically about that. I may be doing my regular nails soon because I see that my nails have been growing because I've been taking my vitamins and stuff like that. So I may do a regular manicure video and show you guys, because yeah, I kind of want my nails back. So I miss my natural nails. I haven't worn my natural nails in a long time, so I think after this set I may just wear my natural nails and let them grow, because my nails do grow very nicely. My nails can grow to that length that you guys see here. All right, so that's just basically about that. So it's pretty much, you know, self-explanatory and easy. You just want to make sure that you know, your nails are basically like I said, the tags at the top, make sure that's smoothed out, and then you're going to buff it out. You're going to get your buffer. Don't come for me or don't judge me of my nail buffer. Okay, it's been through the mill, but that means I am always doing my nails and stuff like that. So I have a lot of nail files and stuff like that, so don't come for me. Okay, don't come for me, my nail file. All right, so yeah, so at any rate, yeah, we all, you know, a lot of us have them, you know, them busted type nail files. So I may need to give this up, but I do have another one. But yeah, so I'm always buying some type of nail filers. But yeah, it's all good, you know, whatever the case is. I mean, you got to use what you got to use right now. You know, anybody, please, it does the job for right now. Okay, so now I will be applying the base coat, and this is the Beetles base coat. And if you guys do not know where I got this from Amazon, and I'll put down my haul down the bottom below. Like I said before, I know you guys are, probably, don't want to order from offline, but until this thing is over, you can use other base coats, but make sure it's a gel if you want the nails to stay on. And also you have to cure after every layer or gel polish that you put on, so you do need a UV lamp. I'm sorry to those of you that don't have it right now, but if you don't have it, you can use regular nail polish, okay, and call it a day. You don't have to use the gel, but like I said before, I'll probably be doing some manicures that have the regular nail polish, and usually regular nail polish does chip faster, but there are some techniques that you can use to make them last longer, but that's basically it about that. But I prefer gel because gel definitely lasts longer and it doesn't chip as quick as a regular nail polish. But I have a lot of regular nail polishes, and gel polishes are very hard to come by, and they don't have a lot of colors, but when you buy the regular nail polish, they're inexpensive, most of them are, and you're able to find more colors and things of that sort. So that's basically about that. But yeah, so right now I am using the gel polish because I really do like it, and when I do my natural nails, I'm probably going to do the gel polish as well. So once again, you guys can use regular polish, whatever the case is, on these nails. Just because they're fake nails doesn't mean that you have to use gel polish, okay? So don't be thinking that, because I know some people are like, I don't have gel polish. You can use regular nail polish, okay? But that's basically about that. But to those of you out there that do have a UV lamp, definitely use it. If you don't have a UV lamp, you can't use this gel polish. You have to have a UV lamp in order for the gel polish to dry, because it's never going to dry if you don't have a lamp, okay? All right, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I will be done talking right now, and yeah, so I'm putting on the top coat, and like I said before, after every layer, I did do 2 layers for the red polish, so because it wasn't as opaque as I wanted it, so you could do however many layers you want to, but just know with gel it could be a little bit thick, so make sure when you're applying it, make sure you're applying kind of like thin layers, so it won't bubble up or be all bulky or messy and stuff like that. So make sure that you're putting on thin layers, and even do that with the regular polish as well. You want to make sure that you're applying thin layers, because you don't want it to get all bubbly and get all the bubbles in it and stuff like that, because you're putting on too much polish at one time, you know what I mean? So you want to make sure that you're doing it correctly, and if you have any messy stuff on the side or anything, clean that up beforehand, because you don't want to dry out so quickly, and things of that sort. So you want to make sure that you are doing the cleanup as you are going. Don't leave it for later, because once you put your hand in the curing thing, your hand in the UV lamp, you won't be able to you'll be able to take it off, but it's going to be harder to take off, okay? All right, so I'm done, you guys. This is very self-explanatory, but I want to talk to you guys just a little bit to give you some tips and things of that sort. I'll be back with some more nail videos. If you want some more nail videos, please let me know. Hit the thumbs up, the like, and I hope you subscribe. And I hope you guys are, being safe out there, taking safety precautions, washing your hands, and things of that sort. And everyone, just have a blessed day, be blessed. And if you have any questions, concerns, please let us go. Thank you for watching. Peace, bye.
I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional. And I've been feeling